You pay attention at school, you study hard, get a good job, work diligently throughout your career, all so that one day you can kick back and enjoy a nice, pleasant retirement. That's the story anyway. But it's not one that always lives up to reality. There are countless stories of people with good jobs and diligent savings patterns still needing to work well into their twilight years. This is to say nothing of people that unfortunately never have the privileges of higher education or a stable career. Recent reports have found that less than 30% of American workers are on track to retire at all, and even fewer think they will have a comfortable retirement, and they might be right. Imagine working hard from 9 to 5 every day, dreaming of a relaxed retirement. But here's the truth. Many people with good jobs and savings still end up working well into their old age. This is even tougher for those who didn't get a chance at higher education or a stable career. Shockingly, less than 30% of American workers are on track to retire, and only a few expect a comfy retirement. Now, I know this isn't what you want to hear, but some big issues are keeping younger generations working forever. And the COVID-19 pandemic made it worse, creating a gap between those with and without secure jobs. You might think you're doing everything right, saving, investing, the whole deal. But here's the kicker. There are lots of problems. Housing, stock market ups and downs, and economic stuff. That could mess up our dreams of endless growth. So, it's time to learn how money works to figure out why we might be working until we're 120. 1. Real estate. Saving money alone may not be sufficient for retirement, especially when considering the challenges associated with real estate. Challenges in affording homes. The cost of home ownership has escalated, particularly in high-cost-of-living areas like New York, Chicago, or San Francisco. Even high-income earners, such as those in banking or big tech, find it challenging to afford homes in these locations. Young adults facing these high costs often delay or struggle to purchase homes. Impact on retirement security. Owning a home is considered a significant asset in retirement. It not only represents a valuable possession, but also eliminates rental expenses. For individuals who own their homes outright, retirement costs are significantly reduced. However, the current trend of young buyers purchasing smaller dwellings or being unable to afford homes at all creates a scenario where a significant portion of the population might face financial strain in retirement. Example scenario. Imagine a professional in a high-cost-of-living city who diligently saves but cannot afford to buy a home. In retirement, this individual may have to contend with ongoing rental expenses, diminishing the effectiveness of their savings. Without the asset of a paid-off home, their retirement savings may need to stretch further to cover housing costs. Long-term impact of unaffordable housing. The unaffordability of housing can have lasting effects. The median age of first-time homebuyers is increasing, and the trend is likely to be exacerbated by factors such as the COVID-19 pandemic. This delay in home ownership means that even individuals who start investing in their mid-30s may continue paying off mortgages well into their 60s, affecting the overall quality of their retirement. In essence, relying solely on savings without addressing the challenges in real estate affordability can leave individuals with a significant gap in their retirement plans. Diversification of investments and strategic planning for home ownership are crucial components for a more secure retirement future. 2. Stock market. When considering retirement planning, relying solely on saving money, particularly through traditional stock market investments, may present challenges. Market dynamics and overinflation. One of the critical factors impacting retirement planning through the stock market is the dynamic nature of market conditions. Overinflation, where stock prices rise significantly, can create challenges for individuals looking to accumulate sufficient funds for retirement. The price-to-earning (PE) ratio, which historically averaged around 15, has increased, indicating that it takes longer for investments to pay for themselves. Example scenario. Imagine an investor who began saving for retirement during a period of historically high PE ratios. While existing investors may see paper gains due to rising stock prices, new investors or those looking to increase their investments may find it challenging to accumulate the necessary funds within a reasonable time frame. Limitations of dividend income. While the stock market provides avenues for income through dividends, relying solely on this income might not be enough. Dividend yields can be variable, and depending solely on dividends may limit the overall growth potential of the retirement portfolio. Influence of global economic forces. Global economic forces, such as the impact of globalization, can also affect stock market dynamics. While globalization theoretically benefits overall wealth, it may create disparities, affecting national workforces, and potentially impacting the income-generating capacity of certain stocks. Market speculation and risk. Market speculation and the pursuit of high returns can lead to increased risk. Individuals aiming for exceptionally high returns may face challenges in achieving sustainable and consistent growth, putting their retirement funds at risk. In summary, saving money through traditional stock market investments may not be enough for retirement due to market dynamics, overinflation, limitations in dividend income, and the influence of global economic forces. A diversified approach, including a mix of investments and consideration of long-term market trends, is crucial for building a robust retirement portfolio. 3. Capital investment. When exploring retirement planning, the reliance solely on saving money without considering capital investment presents challenges. Increasing cost of capital equipment. Capital investment involves deploying funds to acquire machinery, technology, or other capital assets that enhance a productivity. However, the increasing cost of advanced capital equipment, especially automation technologies like robotic arms, can become a significant barrier for individuals seeking to invest in productive assets for retirement. Example scenario: consider an individual wanting to invest in a robotic arm to increase productivity and secure a comfortable retirement. The high cost of such equipment, often in the millions of dollars, may lead the investor to consider alternative strategies, potentially diverting funds to non-productive assets or pursuing less cost-effective investment options. Diminishing returns on capital investment. As more individuals invest in capital equipment, the law of diminishing returns comes into play. Each successive investment becomes less efficient in terms of cost versus productivity improvement. This can make it challenging to find the next breakthrough innovation that significantly enhances productivity without incurring exorbitant costs. Non-productive asset investments. A potential pitfall in capital investment is the temptation to divert funds to non-productive assets. Non-productive assets, such as real estate, may provide rental income but don't contribute directly to productivity or economic growth. Investing in these assets may divert funds away from investments that can sustainably fund retirements through increased productivity. Impact of economic trends. The trajectory of broader economic conditions, such as inflation, interest rates, and market fluctuations, can influence the viability of capital investment strategies. Economic trends that affect the overall cost of doing business can impact the return on investment for capital assets. In conclusion, relying solely on saving money without addressing the challenges in capital investment, such as increasing costs and diminishing returns, can limit the effectiveness of retirement planning. A well-rounded strategy that considers the evolving landscape of capital investment and explores alternative avenues for sustainable growth is crucial for building a resilient retirement portfolio. As we wrap up this eye-opening journey into the complexities of retirement planning and financial security, I encourage you to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay updated on more insights into navigating the world of money. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these challenges and solutions? Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take a step towards securing your financial future.